Welcome to Kala's Kitchen. Today we would be preparing egg masala, and these are the ingredients which we would be using. I'll let you know one by one as and when we start using them. So as an initial step, let's boil the egg. So I kept the egg for boiling, and these chopped ginger, chili, garlic, tomato, and onion. So it looks like the egg is boiled. So I just removed the shell. You can cut the egg either lengthwise or breadthwise depending on your taste. After cutting the egg, we would be mixing those garam masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt, and applying that mix on the surface of this egg. So we're just mixing it. And we can start applying it on the surface slowly without breaking the egg. So post applying this masala, we would be frying them in a pan. So frying these eggs in such a way will make sure these masalas are getting absorbed properly. Okay, so now I'll pour little oil. I think it's too little. Let me put some more. Okay, this should be good. And we are just putting those egg pieces, and we'll fry it for a few minutes. Make sure the oil is spread across the pan so that all the pieces are fried properly. Once it's cooked on one side, you can just turn it over. I think it's almost fried. So we'll just move those fried egg pieces into a plate. Okay, we'll add little more oil so that we can fry those chili, onion, ginger. So I'll just put chili and garlic, then followed by ginger pieces. Let's fry this for a few minutes till it becomes brown in color. You would be able to feel the smell of garlic and fresh chilies. Now add the onions to it and keep frying it for few more minutes. Once the onions are brown, finally we would be adding the tomatoes. Let's fry this as well for a few minutes. So once the tomatoes and the onions are cooked properly, you can add water as per your requirement. This egg masala can be used for chapati and as well as rice. So based on that you can add water, and I'm just putting this chili powder, salt and turmeric powder as per the requirement. Let it boil for some time. So once you feel the gravy has boiled, you can add those egg pieces to it one by one. You can just put those gravies on top of each piece so that the gravy is absorbed properly by the egg. Cook it for a few minutes with closed lid. And here is the final product, the egg masala. For extra topping, you can just squeeze little lemon on top of it, so which I would be doing after putting it in a bowl. All right, so here is the lemon. And thanks for watching.